Yo, what's going on? You listen to this channel. What I want you to do, I want you to subscribe, click like right there, because I'm about to tell you one of the information that you have, because chances are something's going on with your cordless Andis masters, making a lot of noise. You hear that? I don't hear mine. You know why? Because I found out what it was. I'm here to let you know. It is not the clipper itself. It is not the clipper itself. It is the blade. It is the blade that's making the clipper loud. Cause check this out. If it's making a loud noise, you take the blade off, cut it back on, the sound is gone. The sound is gone. So change the blade, or get the blade repaired. I can show you how to do that, but do that, get it done. Alright. You thank me later. Subscribe to the channel, click like. Yo, trying to get my followers up. I got more things coming out. I'm gonna be doing live haircuts. Alright, so let y'all peep game. How the real master do it. Alright? I'm show y'all how to cut with no guards. The real professional way. I mean, it's okay to cut with guards because they let you know that you're being extra careful on your clients' heads. But me, I don't care. I mean, I do what I do. Alright, cause they know they're gonna get hooked up. Alright? By the best. Alright? I know you the best. I'm the best too. We all the best. We are licensed barbers. That's what we do.